Hello kids! Today we draw some 2D shapes and learn some colors. So first we learn these colors. Look at this color. It's a very nice and cute color kids. Let's learn. Warm grey color, forest green color, vivid green color, French vermilion color, potato green brown color, ultramarine color. Look at these colors. All are very nice and cute. Now we draw some 2D shapes. So let's start. We draw some 2D shapes. Circle, square. It's a square shape kids. Square. Trapezoid. It's a trapezoid. Trapezoid. Circle. Circle. Rhombus. It's a rhombus. What is this? Rhombus. Parallelogram. It's a parallelogram shape kids. What is this? Parallelogram. Right triangle. It's a right triangle shape. Right triangle. Forest green color. Forest green color, French vermilion color, French vermilion color, ultramarine color, ultramarine color, warm grey color, warm grey color, brick brown color, brick brown color, vivid green color, vivid green color, square, trapezoid, circle, rhombus, parallelogram, right triangle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.